Alright, this is the car I just picked up today. It's a 97 Grand Am GT. Purple. Make this video really quick because it's starting to rain out. Literally stole it. Stolen. Clean little car. 78,000 miles on it. Now I'm going to repeat what I bought for this one. What I paid for it anyways. Oh, I got my freaking keys. Nope. It's got the nice interior in it and not too shabby. And when it's not raining, I'll make a video about it later. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.